To New Zealand now, where the economy is now in recession. GDP fell 0.1% in the final 3 months of last year when compared to the September quarter, which experienced a 0.3% decline. Let's go live to our New Zealand correspondent, Jack Nyhof, in Christchurch. Jack, it's another blow as Kiwis struggle through the cost of living crisis.
New Zealand's Finance Minister Nicola Willis says that this has hit earlier and faster than what was anticipated. New Zealand is now going backwards. That latest data shows gross domestic product is weakening again, which means an official recession has hit the country. This is despite record migration numbers and an increase in population. Now, real gross national disposable income is also down 1.4% in the final quarter of last year, as well as GDP per capita also taking a tumble at 0.7%. Now, late last year, there was a change of government. The National Party was elected on a platform of tackling cost of living. They were voted in. And speaking to people here in Christchurch, far from the country's capital in the South Island, cost of living very much so still an issue for them. And they say that they're feeling it still very acutely. And they say these stats are just confirming what they're already feeling, what they already know. They're feeling it at the supermarket when they shop, in their hip pocket as well. Now, household spending, a major contributor to this retraction in New Zealand's economy, as well as a lack of business investment. The government says high inflation is being beaten back by high interest rates, and that's having a flow-on effect on growth here. The official cash rate has been sitting at 5.5% since May, and the Reserve Bank isn't anticipating any cuts to that until next year, although the market is pricing in an earlier cut as well. Some of those industries taking a hit, as I say, retail very much so, manufacturing, wholesale trade as well, and transport as well taking a hit. Now, this is an economy heavily reliant on things like tourism as well as agriculture as well. So that post-COVID recovery still having a big impact here. And it's a country that's really felt it very acutely. Just for some context as well, Kieran, the population here of the whole country is fewer people than Melbourne. So a smaller economy, a smaller country, still very much feeling those big impacts that we saw over COVID.